October is Fire Prevention Month, and 3A Quality Services is hosting fire safety classes for companies in Kern County. I'm Eric J. Docker, your Bakersfield neighborhood reporter. California Bioenergy sent 12 of their employees to learn about fire safety and fire extinguishers. The Central Valley is known for its extreme heat and wildfires. Even while living in a fire-prone environment, not everyone is trained to putting out fires.
A lot of people have never had their hands on a fire extinguisher. A lot of people I talk to, they have them all around their businesses, but they couldn't even actually tell you where they are, probably let alone how to use them. And being here in Bakersfield, we're no strangers to fires occurring, especially in these hotter months that we've had.
Josh taught the employees multiple ways to inspect their fire hydrant and to remember the acronym PASS. P, pull the pin. A, aim the extinguisher at the fire. S, squeeze the handle or trigger while holding the extinguisher upright. And S, sweep the extinguisher from side to side, covering the base of the fire until it's out.
Understanding that if you got a fire extinguisher, just because it's there doesn't mean that it's going to work. So little things like inspecting the hoses, the pins, the pressures, and the integrity of the canister itself.
3A discussed how common fires are started and what to do if you were ever around one. The company stressed to remember the 3A's. Activate the building alarm and call 911. Assist or help any person in immediate danger, and attempt to try to extinguish the fire.
I'm just so appreciative that we get the opportunity that I may never know that they were able to save a life. But it happens, and there will be somebody at one of these classes that had an opportunity to use the extinguisher because we taught them, and they saved their home or their vehicle or saved a life, and that's really what it's all about.
At the end of the session, students were given their own fire extinguisher and was able to put out a real gas fire on their own. The instructors told them to stand 8 to 10 feet back and spray the base of the fire until it's out. 3A Quality Services offers these classes to all companies in Kern County. For more information, contact the number on your screen. For 23ABC, I'm Eric J. Docker, your Bakersfield neighborhood reporter.